Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to remove the green dot on any Oppo phone. Now, the green dot appears when an app on your phone uses the camera or the microphone. So it shows a green dot at the top of the screen to inform you that an app is using the camera or the microphone of your smartphone. Now, sometimes this green dot appears when you are on your home screen or when you're using an app which does not require the camera or the microphone access. Now, to fix this issue, first of all, just open the recent apps section, and from here, just close all the apps which are running in the background. And from here, just check if this fixes your issue or not. If this did not fix your issue, then open Settings and tap on Security and Privacy. And from here, you will find the option of Privacy Dashboard. Just tap on it. And from here, you can check which app was using the camera or the microphone of your phone. For example, if you tap on Camera, you will be able to find all the apps which were using the camera of your smartphone. And if you don't want a specific app to get the access of the camera, just tap on the app icon, then tap on Camera. And from here, select Don't Allow. And once you do that, you will restrict the selected app from using the camera. And the same goes with the microphone of your phone. Just tap on Microphone, and from here you will be able to see all the apps which were using the microphone of your phone. Now just select the app which you don't want to use the microphone, then tap on Microphone. From here, select Don't Allow, then tap on Don't Allow anyway. And you can even go a step further and you can block the camera and the microphone access for all the apps on your phone. For that, just go back, and from here, just tap on Privacy Controls. And from here, under Controls, you will find the camera access and the microphone access options. For example, if you disable camera access, you will disable the camera access for all the apps on your phone. Now, for an example, I will enable this option. Now, if I go to the home screen and open the camera app, as you can see, the camera is currently working. Now, let's disable the camera access from here. And after I disable the camera access, the camera app will stop working, just like that. And the same goes with the microphone access on your smartphone. If you disable this toggle, you will disable the microphone access for all the apps on your smartphone. Now the last step is to go to your home screen and reboot your smartphone. For that, just press and hold the power button on your smartphone and open the power menu. Now, if the power button on your phone is mapped to launch the Google Assistant instead of the power menu, just press the volume up button and the power button at the same time. And once you do that, the power menu will show on the screen. Now just swipe up and select Restart. And this is how you can remove the green dot on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.